Hey everyone, welcome back to Sanketik live classes. Before starting today's session, let's quickly recap what we learned in the previous class. Okay, so in the last class, we have discussed about setup Playwright automation environment using VS Code. Okay, and we had also verified our first program. Okay, so here we discussed about what main Playwright requires. First one, it requires Playwright library. Next one, it requires browser binaries. What are the requirement files? I mean, it showing that uh, it requires Playwright library to be installed in the VS Code, and also, I mean, install in the sense here we are going to import the Playwright library. Okay, and next, browser boundaries. These are the dependencies for the Playwright. And next, how we are, I mean, we set the VS Code for the Playwright is first we had opened the Visual Studio Code, and then create or open project folder. Okay, what are the project folder we have? We have created a one project folder. Next, we had opened the VS Code terminal. And next, 1 second. Instead of saying like this, I will show you. See, this is the file. We had clicked here and we had went for the open folder. Then we have created the a folder here and we selected that folder. Okay. Next, here in the Explorer, that folder will be visible like a Playwright with Python. Whatever the name we have set, then with that name only, the folder will be shown here. So from here, we had clicked on new file and we had given the name as verify underscore playwright.py. Okay. After that, we had went for the terminal and we had given the some commands like pip install playwright and then Playwright install. Okay. So we had also mentioned the commands here. Yeah, pip install Playwright and Playwright install. Okay. Next, how we run the program by using py verify underscore Playwright. We have run the program here and we executed by giving the command like a py space play verify underscore playwright.py. Okay, playwright.py. Okay. This is about our previous session. Okay. Now we are going to know about, I mean, we are going to understand the first Playwright program, and how it launches the browser and how it launches the browser. So if you are not completed the previous class, I strongly recommend finishing it before continuing the today's session. Finish it before continuing with the today's session. And in today's class, we will understand every line of our first Playwright program. First Playwright program. And next, we will see what each statement does and why it's required. What each statement does and why it is required. So this is a very important class because almost every Playwright automation script starts with these basic statements. These basic statements. Okay. So in the previous program, what we have written is, first I will write the program once again here. Second. From Playwright. Underscore sync playwright, sorry, playwright dot sync underscore API import sync underscore playwright. Okay, this is about our first line. Okay, I will give the detailed explanation after writing the entire code. Okay, this the first line is used for importing playwright library as we discussed. Next, with sync underscore playwright as p. This underscore playwright as p. Next, browser, we have to open the browser, right? Browser equal to p.chromium. As of now, I'm taking Chrome as browser. Chromium dot launch. And here we have to give whether we require headless mode or headless. So headless means if headless equal to false, then it will open the UI which is visible to us. If headless equal to true, then we can't see the UI of that application. Okay, then we have to um, use headless equal to false only for our for seeing the web page live. Okay, so here headless equal to false. Next, we have to, after opening the browser, we have to open the page, new page. Page equal to browser dot new page. Sorry, browser dot new page. Okay, now it will open the new page. Next, after opening the page, we have to go for the URL, right? Website. So we have to provide the website URL here. Page data, go to in columns. I can give our institute website. Next, if you want to wait, then page data, wait for timeout. For suppose 300. So after timeout, then we have to close the browser, right? So browser equal to, see, browser dot close. Then parentheses. Okay. Okay. Browser dot. Now we can save the program and we can run. See, it is opening the website. Wait it for some time. 1 second. Wait for some time. And then it was closed the browser. It has closed the browser. Okay. So let's understand this program one line at a time. So don't try to remember, memorize it. Instead of understand what each statement is doing, what each statement is doing. So from line 1, from playwright.sync underscore API underscore API. So here we are importing the library. Here we are importing the Playwright library. Just like we import other Python libraries, we import Playwright before using it. Without importing the Playwright, the Python doesn't know what Playwright is. Okay, if you import, then Python can understand that it is a Playwright one. If you don't specify, and then if you don't have that library, then Python doesn't know about the Playwright library. Okay. Next, this is very important. Next, this statement starts a Playwright session. First of all, next, we can think of it as starting one Playwright engine. Okay, you start one Playwright engine, Playwright session. Okay, next, you can think of it as starting of the Playwright engine, and the variable p gives us access to Playwright features like Chrome, Firefox, Mozilla. Mozilla and Firefox same only. Firefox, okay, Opera, like that. But here we can use most of the browsers. First one is Chrome, second one is Firefox, third one is WebKit. Okay, mostly WebKit we are not using. We will go for only Chrome browser. Okay, so here the variable p, okay, the variable p gives us access to Playwright features like Chrome, Firefox, WebKit. And for now, remember, every Playwright program starts by creating a Playwright session. So in the next line, we have given browser equal to p.chrome, launch headless equal to false. So this line launches a Chrome browser. So and it is an headless equal to false. We had mentioned like false. False means UI will show. Okay, what are the user interface? What are the customer wants? Like that, it will show. Right. Next, if uh, headless equal to true, if headless equal to true, the browser runs in the background without opening a visible window. We will understand headless mode in detail later. For now, we will keep it as a false. We will keep it as false. Next, When we run the program, it was successfully open the website. Okay, that is that seems that uh, the program which we have written is okay, good. Okay, so today we learned three very important statements. First one is we imported Playwright. Second one is we started the Playwright session. Third one, third one is we launched the Chrome browser. We launched the Chrome browser. Okay, so let's write running notes for this. So the title of the class is Understanding Playwright. First script. So here the things we need to remember is every Playwright program every Playwright program starts by importing Playwright. Every Playwright program starts by importing Playwright. Next, but I am pasting the first line. Imports, this imports import Playwright into Python. Import Playwright into Python. Not import imports. Next, with sync Playwright as P. So here it will start a Playwright session. We'll start a Playwright session. Next, give access to browser engines, and it will give access to browser engines. Next, third one, this one. First one, here we have mentioned Chromium, right? So it will launch a Chrome browser. It launches Chrome browser. Next here, headless equal to false. So opens the browser visibly. Open the browser visibly. Okay. So here the important things we need has to remember is import Playwright before using it. First we have to import the Playwright, then starts a Playwright session. Next it will launch the browser. Okay. Next it will launch the browser. Okay. Congratulations. Today we understood how a Playwright program begins, and these statements are used in almost every Playwright automation script. So practice them carefully. Next, in the next class, we will learn how to create a new browser page and open our first website using page.goto. Okay, open our first website using page.goto. Continue learning step by step, and I will see you in the next class. Okay, so please do like, share, and subscribe for our upcoming sessions. Thanks for watching. See you in next class.